ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Well, the Australian dollar continues to remain weak as the overnight price action prints a low of 73.21 and now showing a minor recovery. This may progress further on towards 73.65. Now note, if we don't get a move over 73.65 in the next 24 hours, then the downside will continue on and look towards this objective that I'm holding, which is at 72.5. A break of 72.5 would expose further weakness down towards 71.20, and on the daily view it is very much supported that way. However, if we do get a break to the upside of 65, resistance comes in even firmer at 73.95 to 74.05. So in terms of how I'm viewing the market at the moment, the Australian dollar should remain weak and still look towards my objective of 72.5. Euro dollar, very surprisingly, is holding up as it clings towards that 110 handle. Nevertheless, weakness still prevails, and I still look towards the 107, 40, 60 as an objective since the break of 110.50. On the day, the range holds at 109.50 to 110.45 with a firmer cap at 110.85.95. And as I said, looking towards that 109.50 support, and eventually see this weakness continue on and revisit the lows of Friday. Dollar yen still very much vulnerable to the downside as it looks towards the support of 101.60 to lower to 101.10. In terms of where this market can go, if it goes under 140 or 150, then the next move should be towards 96. However, we may see the BOJ come in a few times, but it really depends on how strong this move down is. And if it does find that the support doesn't hold sub 100, really, then I know real bullish implications will come through until we get down to 96. And if you can see why, is that 96 comes in around this region here, which was seen back in 2013. And to wrap up, we've got sterling and gold. Well, sterling still very much is on the weaker side, and initially now finding support at 131.10, as you can see here from last night. Although I still feel that the market can actually fall towards 128 with extreme to 124, we should not discount any advances up towards 132.50 to 133.30 to 133.50. The reason being is that if we haven't seen any sort of recovery here, and if the market is starting to get short on the back of what's happening in the UK, then we may see a small squeeze up to 133.5 before the initial down move. And as I say, take note, if we do see a break of 131.10, then the next support comes in at 130.30 and lowered down towards 128 to 124 as an objective. Well, as you're aware, gold broke above that 13.16 threshold and rallied on Friday towards a high of 13.58. Now pulling back, we noticed that the market actually challenged that support level around 1,314 and respected there. Overall, we shouldn't discount any down test towards that level of 1,314, and now expect to see another rejection from there and then look up towards the highs around 1,331, and a break there would see a move to 1,336 to 1,344 as an objective. This market can only turn negative, I feel, if we break under 1,304. This would actually expose back towards the lows of 1290. But in terms of how the broader picture looks, we are just coming back in to a bullish stance here. So that's why I still feel that we could see a move up to 44. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoy your day.